Found this at Aldi's today. I have a lot of high fat foods I'm eating right now, so I was trying to find something with protein. I'm going to tell you, I'm not the biggest chicken sausage fan, but this is organic chicken sausage, pesto flavored, and it is from Simply Nature. Found it at Aldi's. They had another one that was a tomato and something that had a couple carbs. This one has 0. But it is, each one of these links is 80 calories. It's 2.5 fat and 12 protein and 0 carbs. Ingredients. This is why I got it. I looked at the ingredients. I was like, I'm buying this for sure. Ingredients are organic skinless chicken, water, organic basil, sea salt, and organic garlic. That's all that's in this. So this is just chicken with basil, salt, and garlic, and then it has water in it, I guess. It doesn't even mention anything about a casing. But I'm going to cook this up, try it. Maybe worth noting, while I'm cooking these chicken sausages in a non-stick pan, they are tending to stick to the pan a little bit. Not really an issue. Just thought I'd mention it because usually when I fix the sausages and stuff, they just turn real easy. These are kind of getting stuck a little bit when I turn them. All right, they are done. Here's what they look like. They smell good. It's definitely a chicken sausage, which I'm not the biggest fan of. But that basil and garlic and whatever flavor in there that's supposed to make it taste like pesto does a pretty good job. I may actually start getting these. This is really good. So yes, I do really like this chicken sausage, which is big for me considering it's chicken sausage.